Pediatric dosage of a medication is 5 milligrams per kilogram every 4 hours. Calculate the daily dosage in milligrams for a child weighing 60 pounds. To solve this problem, the order needs to be expressed in daily dosage in milligrams. We'll set that as our goal. To begin the process, we'll start with the doctor's order, and in this particular problem, the amount of medication is based on the patient's weight. To start the order then, to determine the correct amount of medication, we will start with the patient's weight, expressed here as a fraction with a denominator of 1 for an equivalent value. The medication order, however, is based on weight in the metric system, and we have weight in the English system. This will require us to convert from pounds to kilograms. There are 2.2 pounds equal to 1 kilogram. Taking these equivalent values and placing the pound in the denominator and the kilogram in the numerator will allow us to cancel out the common factor of pounds, and now with a weight of kilogram, we can continue with the doctor's order of medication being administered at 5 milligram per kilogram every 4 hours, which is shown here in our fraction. We have a common factor of kilogram will cancel out. Our units currently are in milligram per hour. The problem is asking in the amount of dosage per day, so our last conversion fraction will need to replace hours that are currently in the denominator. Every day consists of 24 hours. Taking these equivalent values and arranging them for our final conversion fraction, we have the following, allowing us to cancel out the common factor of hours, leaving milligrams per day. Last step then will be to multiply the fractions and then simplify with division for a final answer of 818 and 1800ths. Since this is a pediatric dosage, the procedure is to truncate rather than round up and perhaps risk over-medicating the patient. To truncate this to the nearest tenth, we will drop the 800ths for the correct medication dosage of 818 and 1/10 milligram per day.